In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Temu order without app. If you want to check your Temu order but you don't have the app installed, the good news is that you can do everything directly from your web browser. This is a simple method that works well on both a computer and a mobile browser, and it lets you quickly view your order details, shipping progress, and delivery estimate. To get started, open your preferred web browser. You can use any common browser you like as long as it has a stable internet connection. Once your browser is open, go to the Temu website. Wait for the homepage to fully load so all of the account options appear properly. After that, sign in using the same account you used when placing your order. This part is important because your order history will only appear under the correct account. If you used a different email or sign-in method when you originally made the purchase, make sure you use that same login here. Otherwise, your order may not show up, even if it was placed successfully. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is where Temu keeps your account-related options. When the menu opens, select your orders. That will take you to the section where your previous and current purchases are listed. Now find the order you want to view. If you've placed multiple orders, take a moment to look through the list carefully so you open the correct one. This is especially helpful if you're waiting on more than one shipment at the same time. Click on the order to open its full details. Inside, you'll be able to see the current order status, which helps you understand whether the package is still being processed, has already shipped, or is close to delivery. You can also check the tracking information, which is useful if you want more specific shipping updates. In addition, you'll be able to review the items you purchased so you can confirm exactly what was included in that order. You should also see the estimated delivery date, which gives you a general idea of when your package is expected to arrive. If the page doesn't load correctly, try refreshing your browser or signing out and back in again. And if you still can't find your order, double check that you're logged into the correct account. That's all it takes to find your Temu order without using the app.